Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a transaction history on Remitly. Now basically you can open up the Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar you can search for Remitly application here. So once you open it, you can simply download the Remitly application. You've made some basic transaction and now you want to get rid of the transaction. Well, let me tell you that no payment app including Remitly will let you delete transactions, and this also includes many payments apps such as Walmart, and it also includes Skrill, PayPal, or any of the other payment tab, or even mobile banking app doesn't let you delete your transaction history. That is simply done for security purposes. It is always there to keep a record and to prevent fraud transactions and fraudulent transactions from your account, so that you might always know where your money is actually going. So what you can do is you can simply delete your account so far. That is the only way to delete your transaction history on Remitly. There is no such way. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.